In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace all of your ignition coils on this Hyundai Santa Fe with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's install these brand new TRQ ignition coils. With the hood open, lift up your engine cover. It should pop off of 4 little grommets by pulling upwards. And right here are all 4 of your ignition coils. I do see a lot of debris down here, so before I do anything else, I'm going to get a vacuum and vacuum all the leaves and all of the debris up so nothing gets down in the engine. Because the process is identical for all 4 of the ignition coils, I'm just going to show you one and then of course repeat the process for all the other ones. I'm going to show you this one. To remove this harness, there's a gray locking tab here that you have to pull back on. Sometimes these are a little stuck. If you can't pull it by hand, just use a small screwdriver. And then that should allow you to press on the center clip or tab to unlock the wiring harness. Then there's a 10mm bolt right on the top of the ignition coil. Remove the bolts. Now you can pull up on the ignition coil, and there it is. The new ignition coils come with some silicone paste or dielectric grease already on the boot, so that's perfect. Slide it down, make sure it's seated all the way, and then put that bolt in. With it started by hand, bottom it out. The torque for this is between 7.2 and 8.7 foot-pounds, so I'm just going to torque it to 8 foot-pounds. That's it right there. Let's plug it back in. Take the connector, and when you plug it in, make sure it clicks. And then, of course, lock it down. Now repeat the procedure with the other 3 ignition coils. Once you've done all the ignition coils, reinstall the engine cover, line it up, move it around to make sure it's lined up with the pins. There are 4 of them, kind of like a square, and then press it down. And with this installed, turn on the engine, make sure it runs smoothly. If you have any issues, double check your electrical connections. If not, you're good to go. Take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.